So, good morning everyone. I am Tanisha and I have done my 7th class and pursuing 8th class from New Father Angela High Secondary School as well as learning English from Steadfast Spoken English Club. And I am the student of Steadfast Spoken English Club and I am in advanced batch. If I talk about my advanced batch, so advanced batch is the best batch and we can learn in basic batch. We are learned one use of every lecture, but in advanced batch we can learn more and more uses of basic lectures just like can and could and many more of this. We can learn extra topics, difference between about leadership and many more skills. I think it is the best batch, and all trainers are focused on improve our fluency and presentation skill, and we have to give our more and we have to speak more and more in your advanced batch, and we give you we all give your best in advanced batch. So thank you everyone, and Chetan sir also to make me perfect. One change can change your life.